So in your book, you write about how the legal profession is one of the least trusted in modern society, which I find interesting. Can you tell us a little bit about why you believe this public perception sort of exists and what lawyers can do to overcome it?
Yeah, I think to a certain extent we are set up for failure. I think, and TV, movies is partly to blame for that. Like I said, I touched upon it, LA law, every case lasted one episode, justice is served. And I think the realities of litigation, the realities of the legal profession aren't always explored on TV. It wouldn't make for good TV. When I tell clients how long litigation is going to take, how much it's going to cost, you know, look, you may, even though you did nothing wrong, you might want to consider a settlement here because ultimately you'll spend more in legal fees to clear your name. And so I think just the realities of the profession. And I think how the media portrays us, often as greedy, filing frivolous lawsuits. I talk about it in the book, the classic example, the McDonald's coffee lawsuit. The media portrayed it, oh, someone spills hot coffee over themselves and they get millions of dollars. That's crazy. The realities of that case were very different. At the temperature, it was alleged that the temperature the coffee was served, it would cause burns within 2 to 3 seconds. And there'd been nearly 800 reports of serious burns in the preceding years. And the person didn't get millions of dollars. It was in 490,000 or 470,000. And she was in hospital for 8 days. She had burns over 16% of her body. Her physician testified it's some of the worst burns he's ever seen. But the media doesn't want to talk about that. It's not headline grabbing. There's another urban legend. Someone trips over their toddler and then sues a department store. And it just didn't happen. It was just made up. And so I think, so we're already fighting these perceptions. And also when people come to us, it's often at some of the most stressful times in their lives. They've been sued. They've been in a car accident. They're going through a divorce. A family member's died. They're going through probate. And so the fact they're coming to us in these times of struggle, these times of pressure, again, it's almost like sets us up for failure. Most of the lawyers I know, they are, hardworking, professional. They care deeply about their clients. But again, I think we're fighting this uphill battle. We're fighting this perception of the greedy lawyers who just care about the bottom line.